Today we're going to talk about a video I saw on YouTube and I found it interesting, which is Gen Z are winning the home buying race because they started buying properties earlier than the millennials did. However, the way that they portrayed this in the video is looks like they bought homes for them to live in and in smaller markets, because they did it right after COVID, so during the COVID boom. And a lot of people were moving outside of the big cities and going to smaller places because they could work from home. Now, are they still gonna be able to stay in the cities now if they want a higher paying job, or they're gonna have to move back to the big city? Who knows, right? So those are all things like to think about. I'm Davi, realtor and real estate investor in the LA area, who's helped hundreds of clients buy and sell real estate. Now, the beginning of this video, they're talking about the Gen Zs taking advantage of the low interest rates right after COVID and buying a place for them to live in a smaller market. I think the only thing that they can do or should have done, since I don't have any Gen Z clients that I'd like to have, they should be buying investment properties, short-term rentals, regular rentals, apartment buildings if they want to stick with the smaller markets. So that way they can build a real estate portfolio, right? Because a retirement account, you can only pull money out of it when you're retired or for a major life event. Real estate, if it's appreciating and you need money, you can pull an equity line, you can sell it. There's multiple exit strategies, right? You can use it as a tax haven to save you a lot of money in taxes. So it's a lot better than a retirement account. So I think they should be buying more investment property, which doesn't really talk about in this video. And then part two of the video, they're saying that they got help from the parents, and without the parents' help, it would be hard to buy a house. Agreed. Mostly if you're in a bigger city. If you're in a place like LA, it's expensive. If your parents are willing to help you, take the help, because it will help you get to financial freedom faster, right? Because prices are gonna keep going up. Part three of the video, which was also interesting, just like millennials, the Gen Z were buying real estate alone, which I think it's very good. You don't have to wait until you get married to buy real estate. It's probably one of the best investments you'll ever make. And if anything, if you do choose to get married at some point, it's good that you already have something that you've built prior for yourself. So I think it's a good decision overall. But overall in this video, I would just say they should be buying more investment property, which is something that they don't talk about it here. And the dude in the beginning of the video even says that he wouldn't buy a property again because he thinks it's very hard. It's not that hard. There's multiple programs over there that you can buy properties with minimum down and properties that will be very profitable. So if you're interested in those, reach out. Hope this video was helpful. See you soon.